Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. In this video I will be giving you guys my MHD settings and my XHP settings, and if you guys have BM3 you could pretty much use the same Burble settings, and like the duration and everything, it should sound the exact same as MHD. Only thing, people with BM3, I don't think you guys have the over and brap sound, so I won't make this video too long. I'll just give y'all a couple pulls, let you guys hear what the car sounds like. But if you want to hear what the car sounds like more in depth, like a long video, I just posted a video yesterday. I'll put the link somewhere up on screen so y'all can go check that out too. Let's see, I'm probably gonna scare some people, but wasn't even in Sport Plus. Wish I started up in Sport Plus, because sometimes it pops a little bit on startup. Y'all hear them little burbles too? Like, that's not like actual burbles on the tune, that's just the car from the exhaust being so crazy. So as most of y'all probably know, the stock exhaust, like the piping is like an oval shape like this, but this exhaust that I have, it's fully circular, like it's completely round, so it's just like a circle like this. And I think the pipe diameter is either 3" or 3.5. I'll put it up on screen. I know this video is going to be a shorter one because I just wanted to show y'all the settings.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Ah, damn, there's a cop over there. I hope he doesn't care about my head mount. Hey, good thing I saw that, boy, because I was about to do a crazy pull there too. Alright, so I'm gonna just put on my screen recorder too, because I know it's gonna be hard for y'all to see like this. And I'm gonna show you guys the MHD first, and then I'm gonna hop in the XHP after. So I'm stage 2, not stage 2 plus, because I don't have a high pressure fuel pump. And this is the options I'm using.